Good day, everyone. I am John Kenneth San Luis. I will be presenting our study entitled AI Power Vision for Automated Enumeration of Orioconomus, Nicolotus, Fingerling, and Aquaculture. So this study focusing on developing an automated fishing counting system using vision technologies to improve the efficiency and accurate in aquaculture operation when especially the system attains to automate the counting of red and black tilapia fingerling by reducing the manual counting and minimize human error. So in aquaculture, the accurate the finger counting is very important because it is direct affect inventory management, sale transaction, and production planning. Traditionally, the finger are counted manually. However, the manual counting is labor intensive, time consuming, and prone human error, especially when handling large quantities of fish. As the aquaculture industry continues to grow, there is a need the automated solution so that can provide faster and more accurate counting when by the computer vision and artificial intelligence, intelligence have emerging as the promising technologies for addressing these challenges. So therefore, this study explored the use of the AI powered vision system to automate the fingerling enumeration and improve the operational efficiency in hatchery environment. So the primary objective of this study is to develop an automated system capable of accurate counting tilapia fingerling using computer vision techniques. Especially, this study attains to the first to develop a system that can detect and especially red and black tilapia fingerlings. Second, compare the performance of the blood detection and HAR Cascade and YOLO V8 algorithm. So the third is achieve at least 95% continue accurate compared to manual counting. And finally, reducing time and labor required for fingerling enumeration. The methodology began with the data collection. So our data collection is total of 18,366 images of tilapia fingerling were collected and automated. Each fish was labeling according to the ito class, either red tilapia or black tilapia. So the data set was divided into the 80% data training and the 20% is a testing data. So before training, the image processing technique sucks resizing, the filtering and normalization were applied to improve the detection performance. This prepared dataset was the used to train the and evaluate the selected algorithm. This study evaluate the three different algorithm. So the first one is the blood detection at the traditional image processing methods. This that identities connected region within an image into the simple computationally efficiency, but can struggle the object overlapping. Then the second is the HAR cascade. This method used machine learning and HAR-like feature to detect the object. It's performed better the blood detection in many cases, but can affected by variation of the fish orientation and appearance. And the last one, the third is the YOLO V8, which is stand for only look once version 8 or YOLO V8. So it is a deep learning basing object detection model capable of identifying the multiple object simultaneous while the high accuracy and real-time performance. So these three methods we are comparing to determine the most efficiency approach for automated fingerling counting. The performance and evaluation show the clear difference among the three algorithm. So the first one is the YOLO V8. Achieve is the highest accuracy to demonstrate the strongest robustness in detecting fingerling under the different condition. So the second one is blood detection. Show that lowest performs, particularly in crowded scenes, whereas the fisher is clustered together. And the third is the hard cascade production, moderate the result, but occasionally missing detection due to the challenge into the fish orientation and scale. So our overall result, the YOLO V8 is constantly out of perform of their methodology across the all evaluation metrics. To determine whether the system could be applied the accurate archery environment, additionally testing was conducted beyond the conducted labor setup. Experiment including the variation light condition, water tunability, and different fingerling density. As expected, all algorithm experimented show the reduction the performance under the three condition. So, however, the YOLO V8 is maintained the stable, the detection accurate, and remaining the most reliable algorithm. So this fingerling suggested the proposed system has the strongest potential in real world deployment in aquaculture operations. In additional to accuracy, the real-time performance was also evaluated. The system was tested on computer equipped with an Intel Core i5 processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM and an NVIDIA GTX 1065 graphics card. And YOLO V8 achieved approximately 32 frames per second. Make it is sustainable for real-time operation. So the Heart Cascade achieved approximately 18 frame per second. So while the blood detection achieved around 25 frame per second. So the result is confirmed that the proposed system can provide the image efficiently while maintaining the accuracy. To validate and the reliability of the result, the statistical analysis was performed using the data collection from 30 experimental trials. So the system achieved the mean accuracy of 95.7%. The standard diversion was plus or minus 1.2%, indicating the constant and perform across the repeated testing. So the 95% confident interval range from 94.9% to 96.5%. So this statistical measure was provided evidence that the system diverse, the stable and the dependable counting performance. In our conclusion, so this study is successfully developing an AI-powered vision system for automated tilapia fingerling and enumeration. Among the evaluated algorithm, the YOLO V8 demonstrate the best overall performance in terms of the accuracy, robustness, and real-time capability. The system achieved counting accuracy of approximately 95.7% and significantly reducing the effort of the required for the manual counting. The results show the computer vision can effect solution um, for improving efficiency in aquaculture operation. For the future work, the system can be um, expanding the data set, improving the overlapping handling, and conducting the large scale testing in commercial hatchery environment. So that's our conclusion. Thank you for listening. This is my end of my presentation.